In this video, I'm going to go over how to export your cell phone holder so that it can be sent to the 3D printer. To begin with, we'll take and go to the menu. We'll select File. Then we'll click on Export. And we want to select Export Part. Now we want to make sure you're in your Documents folder. So you might have to browse to your Documents folder, find Documents. And then we want to export this as your name engraved text. So you would click this drop down and then find the stereolithography, STL. Select that and click on Save. Then change the output accuracy to custom, select the surface, and we want to bump this number here up to 150. And then we click on OK. OK. And that's how you export your part for 3D printing. The last step in that process would be to upload it to your Google Class Drive folder.